lesi siphicongo lekuvukwe ngaso bebabutha konke labahlangana nako tisebeni tikhahlametwe ngokutatshwa kwempahla setiphelelwe sineke likuholele ekutheni letinye taletigilamkhuba tihlasele
ubhlungu kakhulu nje ukuthi silahlekelwe imisebenzi ngento esingayazi ukuthi why besithathela ukudla kwethu thina ingane zethu zosala zilambile bona bayodla
sibhadala amarente thina abanye asazi manje siyophila kanjani ngendaba yabo
kulimele liphoyisa lekuthi ngeke ukuthi lilashwe kuthite nje kungakapheli isikhathi lesinganani kufike emasotsha kwabe sekubanjwe abafanyana labancane nabo kulomkhuba nawo ke bashawe ngeluswati loluncane emidolweni nakhona emaphoyisa bayathwele emadima takhamuthi tichubeke njalo nokuthi tapela impahla nanobe kushone abantu labalishumi kunyathelana nakuba nesiminyaminya lokho kuholele kutheni uNkulunkulu waseGauteng David Makhura avakashele lendzawo.
Over 400 people across the province have been arrested for this looting and activities of public violence. I must say to you that the number of those who have died has jumped. This number has jumped to 19 as a result of the 10 that died in a stampede in this shopping center here during the looting.
Lokushiya takhamuthi letingasiyo ingcenya loludlame tihlalele eluvalweni.
As police are focusing on malls, they are actually getting into people's houses now, stealing whatever it is. Bayaqhekeza sizayibeka kanjalo ngesintu